Welcome to the Genius Cookie. Today we are going to read Cute Animals, Bunnies. A baby bunny is so tiny and cute, it is called a kit or kitten. A group of kits born together is called a litter. Newborn kits are bald and pink. A soft coat of fur appears on them when they are about a week old. A week or two after their birth, kits can open their eyes. Their fuzzy little bodies look like fluffy marshmallows. Bunnies' fur can be black, brown, gray, or white. They may be covered in spots, stripes, or other patterns. A bunny's ears perk up when it hears any sound. A bunny leaps and twists when it is happy. This playful dance is called a binky. When a bunny grows up, it can run faster than the fastest human. A bunny wiggles its nose to breathe and smell, and when it is curious, sniff, sniff. Baby bunnies nap a lot. Sometimes they even sleep with their eyes open. Bunnies are usually quiet and gentle. They may purr when happy and growl when grumpy. Bunnies love to play at dawn and dusk. Baby bunnies love to nibble and chew. This keeps their teeth from growing too big. They feast on hay and grass. Tiny bits of pellets are their favorite treats. Yum! Floof! A bunny flops down when it feels safe and relaxed. Dig, dig. Why might a bunny dig in the dirt? To find food or build a home. Bunnies' homes are called burrows. They are underground tunnels. Sometimes burrows are connected to each other. They form a warren. A bunny uses its tiny pink tongue to lick itself clean. Bunny poop has special vitamins that keep the bunny healthy, so do not worry if you catch a bunny nibbling its poop. A grown male bunny is called a buck. A grown female bunny is called a doe. If you treat them with love and care, bunnies can be your best friends. Bye bye, bunny.